Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today's video tutorial is about how to start an activity on Discord channel, on your Discord server or your Discord channel. So basically what it is you can play games along or do an activity along all the members that are in your Discord server, right? So you can see this is a dummy Discord server that I've created. So yeah, what you need to do is on the left hand side of the screen, what you need to do is you're going to look for these options and you're going to select any voice channel. So here I've gone into the tutorial voice channel, right? I can close it, and as you can see, if I click again on the tutorial voice channel, it's going to connect, and it's basically going to connect a call. Now here in this call you can just basically share the turn on the camera, share the screen, and the third button is for activities. So what are these activities? These activities are something that you can do along the members in your Discord server. So let's click on this start activity, and as you can see, there are different kind of activities, but most of them are under the Nitros subscription, right? So Nitro subscription is basically the subscription that you subscribe to Discord and get additional features and stuff. So yeah, so now most of them are here under that. For you have to subscribe that. For that you have to subscribe to the Nitro, but here are two which are like basically you know, free. So we're gonna go and click on the watch together. Now basically what watch together is, if you click on it, it's gonna take some time. It's gonna open up YouTube, right? Now in the YouTube, basically you're gonna enter any URL or search for a video that's trending lately, and simply create a playlist, right? So you're going to be the host now. So let's say you can click here, add these to the playlist, right? And now these are the videos that I've added to the playlist, right? So now these can be changed or removed. Videos can be added, or custom URLs can be pasted here, and you can basically watch the video along with your you know, Discord members. Now here, if you skip to the 2-minute mark, it's going to be skipped to 2-minute mark for all of them, right? But the thing is, it's going to get streamed to them from the YouTube, from their own network, right? So this way they can watch the video in better quality. In streaming, they have to depend on the you know, it's basically two-way connection. So yeah, so here it's the very easy way. And another thing that I gotta tell you about this feature is that you can make you know, changes here. You can allow everyone to add videos to this playlist. Let's suppose you are asking for your Discord members to add funny videos or something like this on the playlist, which they think is hilarious, and it's by the unknown person from the internet who posted it on YouTube, and you gotta watch it. Yeah, so you can do that, or you can just toggle it off and then add videos that you want, and basically then watch those videos on your YouTube channel. So yeah, also I said YouTube channel on your Discord server. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, this is how you can start activities on your Discord server. So I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.